Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 9th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, this most elevated, confluence age is the age of benevolence. It is in this age that you have to become the masters of the land of Sri Krishna by studying. Question. Why does the father place the urn of this knowledge on the mothers? What is the one system that only continues in Bharat? Answer. The father places the urn of this knowledge on the mothers so that they can make everyone become pure from impure by tying a rakhi of purity on them. Only in Bharat does the system of Raksha Bandhan exist. A sister ties a rakhi on her brother. This symbolizes purity. The father says, Children, remember me alone and you will become pure. You will become the masters of that pure world. Song is, No one is as unique as the innocent Lord. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. While living in this old world, become doubly non-violent and establish your new world with the power of yoga. Make your life as valuable as a diamond. Number 2. Churn the things that the Father tells you and then relate them to others. Constantly maintain the intoxication of knowing that when this study comes to an end you will go to the land of Krishna. Blessing for today. May you become a holy swan and claim the title of His Holiness by finishing all name and trace of impurity. Details are: just as a swan never picks up stones but selects jewels, in the same way, holy swans never imbibe any defects, that is, any stones. They separate the wasteful from the powerful and put aside the wasteful and adopt the powerful. Such holy swans are clean and pure souls, and their diet and their relationships are pure. When all name and trace of uncleanliness and impurity is finished, you can then claim the title of His Holiness in the future. Therefore, never imbibe anyone's defects even by mistake. Slogan is, a complete renunciate is one who renounces all the progeny of the old nature and sanskars too. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. When carrying out any task, stay merged in love while remembering the Father. Do not go into the expansion of any situation. Put a full stop to any expansion and merge it into the point. Become a point, put a full stop and all the expansion, and the whole web will become merged in a second. Your time will then be saved. You will be freed from making effort. You will become a point and become merged in the love of the one point.